Guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's been a super long time since I've posted, but here we are. Today we have a really juicy workout planned. I'm joined by my good friend, Angel. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Hey, Angel here. I work with this guy at Microsoft, and yeah, we're gonna get swole today.
Sir, so the plan is chest and back today. We're gonna follow up each push exercise with a pull exercise. So bench first, then rows, basic rows, then incline, then lat pull down. So we'll see you guys there. Okay, let's see this. So 5 reps. Okay, let's do a couple of push-ups. We'll do those last ones. Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the vlog. The first vlog was the gym workout. Now part 2 is
we're going to Bert Flinn Regional Park. It's hideous of mountain biking. As you can see, we got all the bikes loaded up on the back. Bert Flinn is a great mountain bike park for beginners, and we can take my boy Muhammad over here.
Yes sir, so this was my first time going there.
Yeah.
And it's been a long time since we did a biking vlog. The last I think we did was Riverview?
No.
With
it
the
was
drone,
review. Yeah, it was
with the drone footage and stuff.
But check it out in the description right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll see. We got J Money in the back as well. Right? Do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Yeah.
Do you want to say hi again? Come closer.
What's up, Muhammad fans?
Not bad.
We made it to this place. What's it called?
It's called the Bert Flinn. We're at Heritage Woods High School at the moment. And Bert Flinn's that way over there.
Yeah. So what's the plan for today? Like, what are our objectives? Well, my goal is to level up my mountain biking skills. So what do I need to learn now?
What do you need to learn now?
I haven't, so I don't know how to do jumps.
Yeah, you don't know how to do jumps.
Well, I mean, I know, but I'm just scared to do it.
Ah, yeah. Well, I think we
what
can
other
really
stuff?
improve confidence with jumps. I think.
There's also there are a lot of like steep pools.
Yeah, there's like lots of steep stuff too.
for that you need a lot of braking control, precise braking.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's gonna be like lots of brake control opportunities, a couple drops, I think. Just like opportunities to like do a manual, and there's gonna be skinny opportunities as well, which is narrow sections that you have to like balance on.
Yeah.
So yeah, I like work and skinnies. Yeah, alright.
Sounds good.
Let's do this.
So see you guys there. So we made it to the trail. Do you guys wanna give some info on what exactly this is, what we're doing?
Right.
So what level like trail is this? Black, blue?
It's a blue, but some of the features are black.
Yeah.
We're on the.
I would describe it as the actual trail itself isn't too challenging, but there are a lot of features on it.
Yeah, lots of features, but features are fun. Features are fun, which is really good.
So I have my strap ready. Probably shaky footage, but we'll see what I can get. So we'll see you there. Okay, let's do this. Camera set, everything rolling. So here. Pretty tight corner. Okay. So, first feature. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing this. Okay, so the drop is from that side right here. Okay.
Go up here to down there, but there's also a harder one or easier one. I don't know if those are harder. Yeah, harder. Yeah, they can also, you can like avoid it, go down this log right here, and then drop off here. And this is harder actually.
We'll do this later. This is the last.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she got her toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. Can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I eat.
So you have to walk here?
Yeah.
Go. You good?
Okay. Okay. That was fine. That's fine.
Yeah, that could have been much worse.
That's alright. I'm okay.
Okay, let's continue.
Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle? But this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances.